Hello and welcome to another video by the famous actor Mr. Curizio from Mission Fusion 18 and 3/4, my new movie. I tried to get Radar in it, but they said no cats. I don't think that's fair, but, well, it is what it is. Oh, Mr. Curizio, thank you so much for doing this for us. We really appreciate it. No problem. I'm glad to help. All right, friends, here we go. Today we are going to talk about how to model division. All right, but we're going to do it in Google Slides. So the first thing we're going to do is you are going to go into your Google Drive. So you click on your waffle, Google Drive. You need a STEM folder. If you already have it, you're good to go. You would see it over here. It'd be a gray folder. Many of you don't. So you'll click on New, Folder. Then you have to name it. Do not call yours Delete. I am calling mine Delete because I don't need it. STEM. Yeah, Mr. Curizio, that's right. STEM's what I teach. I like STEM. Me too. It's pretty cool. You click on Create. All right, there's your file. Double click or 2 clicks. There's nothing in here. We need a new Google Slides. So we click on Google Slides. All right, this is going to be, I don't like themes, so I get rid of it. X. This is going to be, what do we call this? I think it was model division. I think that's right, Mr. Carrico. Okay, so the problem we're going to do is Michael has 16 marbles. He wants to put them in 4 equal groups. How many marbles should Michael put in each group? So here we go. The first thing is you have to have your problem completed first. I have to see it. Modeling division. Okay, modeling division. So you type it in here. Pops up there. By Mr. Curizio. Radar. I thought you left. I like this part. Okay. And me, right? Do I get to put my name in there? Yeah, you can do that too. And Mr. Carrico. Sweet. I got some titles. Okay, next thing is you need a new slide. So you come to the triangle, not the plus, triangle, and then you choose title and body. Title and body, you click on it one time. Here's our problem. We're going to do problem 1. Problem 1. Next step is we have to write our problem. So I'm going to change it because I want to. You guys have already practiced your problem. So here we go. Radar has 18 cat treats. Period. He wants to divide them into, my soda's empty. Let's go 3 equal groups. Period. How many treats are in each group? Oh, left a P out. Question. Now, I'm done with this text box. See how it comes all the way down here? I don't need all this. I'm going to drag this up. Boop, 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 boop. Stops right there. Nice. We're going to solve it on the next page, but we're going to draw our picture here. So I need 18 treats. I don't want to do that. I want to do this. I'm going to do a shape. What looks like a cat treat? That. I'm going to draw it. Okay, now I could go back. That's 1. I'm going to draw it again. Insert shape. What did I pick? That one? That's it. Okay. Now, here's the catch. I press and hold. I drag down. That blue bar is telling me that it is as tall as the other one. Now I want it as wide, so I drag over until it's as wide. And then when I have both wide and tall, I know it's the same size. It needs to go up a little bit, so I keep it blue, and then I use my arrow key to move it up or down. And it's fighting me a little bit, so I'm not going to sweat it. All right, another one. Insert, shape. Shapes come over here. Oh, came out of shapes. Shapes are over here. Press and hold. It's as tall. Now it's as wide. I've got 3. I need to have a total of 16. So I'm going to do one more, and then I'm going to cheat a little bit. It's not cheat. It's just speeding it up. Shapes. Star. Drag. Now, I know it's as... that looks weird. Now I know it's as tall because I've got the tall. Now I know it's as wide. All right, now I need to have a total of 18. So I'm going to do this a little bit differently. I'm on my arrow. I come over. I've got all of those. I go to Edit, Copy. Now I go to Edit, Paste, and I've got my 4. Now that they're blue, this is really important. With one hand, press and hold on your trackpad, drag them down. If you don't do it at the same time, you're only going to get one, and it's going to be a little bit of a hot mess. So I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, not enough. I highlight those again. Edit, copy, edit, paste. While they're blue, I drag them down. All right, then I use my arrow keys to move them up or around. I've got 16. I need 2 more. So I'm going to get just 2. 1, 2. Oh, I got, or 4. Come down halfway. Let's see if we get them. 1, 2. There we go. Edit. Copy. Edit. Paste. I drag these over here. Now, I've got my 18 treats. 3 equal groups. That means I have to have 3 groups. Well, how do I break it into 3 equal groups? So here's what I do. I get my groups ready, and then I can drag and drop. So I'm going to draw another shape, which will be my equal groups. Where'd they go? Right there. Ah, I jumped back to page 1. I need page 2. So, and I did this so wrong, but that's all right. There's one. I want that again, so I make it blue first before I copy and paste. I go to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. This comes over. There's 2. I need 1 more. Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste. There's my 3 more. Now, I really need this stuff on another page. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come up here and do triangle, title and body. Then I go back to page 2. I press and hold, and then with, start down here. I press and hold. Then with my other hand, I drag up and over until everybody's green or blue. Now that's 2. Yeah, that'll work. I'm going to go to Edit, Copy. Now I go to page 3. Watch what happens. Now I go to Edit, Paste. Now here's the problem. I don't need this text again. That'll work. It'll be fine. Oh, this text box is way too huge. And I can tell. Oh, maybe that's not the text box. I don't want this one. So I make it blue. I press delete. Now I'm better. There's just my text box, and now everybody else is individuals. Good. Make this blue by clicking on it. Edit, copy, edit, paste. There's a shortcut that I want to use, but I'm not going to do it just yet because you're not ready for it. Now I drag my treats into each one. 1, 2. Now, look, here's the problem. Look at this. They're behind my shapes. Wow, this is getting deep. I click on my shape. I pressed and hold. Actually, this is weird. For you guys with a Chromebook, this is a 2-finger press, and watch what happens. 2-finger press, it makes it blue, and then you get this menu. So one more time. If you press and you only got this one, that was a 1-finger press. You need a 2-finger press. When you do that, it turns it blue and you get this. You need to change the order, which is down. This is a 2-finger drag up or down until you find order. You need to send this rectangle, send to back. Send to back. Now watch what happens. When you do that, there your star comes in. Same thing here. Oops, sorry. I got a 2-finger. Makes it blue. 2-finger scroll down. Or you find order. Then you're going to go send to back. Star comes up. 2-finger press, order, send to back. Then you can start dragging. I have 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. That's bugging me. I want a line. 5, 5. Wait, this can't. Yeah. 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. And there's our answer. So how many? Radar has 18 treats. He wants to find the most groups. How many treats are in each group? You need a new text box. Drag it over here. Don't drag it over your images, because if you do, you'll type over it. Drag it down here. Radar has. Radar. Oops. Radar has 6 treats in each group. Nice. Now you're done. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, last thing, title. You got to title it. This is modeling division. So you click in it. Now, mine is already titled modeling division, so it moved it up. But if it doesn't, you just type it. So long. Yeah. Bye.